Hi, we'll be solving remainders problem today. What is the remainder when 25 factorial plus 5 factorial is divided by 100? Now we have 25 factorial plus 5 factorial and we need to divide it by 100 and find the remainder. Now we know that the remainder of sum of two numbers is same as the sum of remainder of individual numbers. That means remainder of this terms by 100 is same as remainder of 25 factorial by 100 plus remainder of 5 factorial by 100. Now 25 factorial is nothing but 25 multiplied by 24 multiplied by all the way till 1 divided by 100 plus 5 factorial is equal to 120 divided by 100. Now 100 is nothing but 25 into 4. Definitely 25 factorial is divisible by 100. So that means remainder of this term will be equal to 0. And the remainder of 120 by 100 will be equal to 20. That means the final remainder is equal to 20. And answer will be option number C, which is 25 minus 5, which is equal to 20. Now, if you want to master the concepts of remainders, do check out the theory video and the solved problems provided in the description of this video, where I help you learn the concept from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.